Hey guys, what's up? I am Somajit Ghosh from SS Production. The last video was about Nifty and Sensex. Now that you have known all that, now let us jump into going to the shares, means the buying and selling of it. But you can simply go and buy or sell a share. For that, you need one thing, that is known as a Demat account. The word Demat stands for dematerialization. A Demat account is almost similar like your bank account. But in your bank account, the money is in the form of electronic money, whereas in Demat account it is in the form of shares and security. While in a bank you get an interest all over the year, but in the Demat you will not get so. This is because all of your CDSL and NSDL deposits are linked with your Demat account. Now I will tell you the procedures of how to open a Demat account. For opening a Demat account, you need to go to one of the largest stock brokers in India. There are many stock brokers in India such as Nirmal Bang, Motilal Oswal, ICICI Direct, HDB Finance and so on. I mean there are a lot of them, near about thousands or so. But the best among all of these is very hard to find. So for opening a Demat account, first of all you need a brokerage firm, as I have already mentioned. Next, what you have to do, you have to upload your PAN card and Aadhaar card. Make sure that your Aadhaar card is linked with your phone number which you are using for registering in the Demat account. And also you must have a PAN card, I have already mentioned about it. Now that you have done that, now for getting the Demat account on your power, you have to go through a procedure known as power of attorney. So for power of attorney, what you have to do, you have to sign a terms and conditions of related to your Demat account and need to send them back to the brokerage firm. The main documents which are required except PAN card or Aadhaar card are your voter card or maybe your passport or maybe your driving license. But make sure that each one of those are present until or unless you can't open a Demat account. Now what are the things you need to check before opening a Demat account? See, all of the Demat accounts of the brokerage firms are not the same. For example, HDB Finance is not as same as Angel Broking, or Motilal Oswal is not as same as Nirmal Bang. So you need to go and read all the terms and conditions, including how much brokerage they charge and also the taxation they charge after or before you buy or sell a stock. So keep in mind, you need to go to the best firm with the lowest brokerage cost possible. Now personally, I would like to request all of you to open your Demat account in Nirmal Bang. Now while I am saying you all to open an account in Nirmal Bang, this is because if you do a trading in intraday, for example, you need to only pay a brokerage of rupees 0.03, that is 3 paisa for each 100 rupees. While in the case of delivery, you need to pay 0.30, that is 30 paisa per 100 rupees. So that is the cheapest amount possible ever in the brokerage firm in India. Also, many of the brokerage firms charge you a lot of money, but in the case of Nirmal Bang, it is free of cost. If you are interested to open an account in Nirmal Bang, do comment down in the below. It will be free of cost, and also we are having a stock analyst along with us who is the COO and co-founder of SS Group of Companies, that is Mr. Sobhik Saha, along with me, who will help you to grow a lot of steps ahead for your shares account. That's it for watching. Till next time, this is Somajit. I am signing off from SS Productions. I hope you have a great day. Thank you.